Guys, this is a historical moment. The market is going crazy, as you can see right now on the screen. $57,000. We are forming the new bull market. 57,500. We just broke 55,000. Then we broke 56,000. We broke $57,000. The market is going crazy, as you can see. And the question is, will you take advantage of it? Will you take advantage of the market and of the opportunities that this market brings? This is the question to you. And like I always say, I only show you what I do on the market. I only show you the moves and where I allocate my time and etc. So this video is a complete tutorial on how to trade on Deepcoin exchange. And now the important part of this video is for everybody who is using my link to register. Down from the description of this video, you are not required to KYC on Deepcoin. And this is something I haven't seen ever on anybody's YouTube channel. You have an opportunity to have no KYC only with the link under my video. Without further ado, look, if you're a trader, this video is for you. And this video is for complete beginners. If you're just starting, this video is for you. If you're an advanced trader, you can turn off this video and already watch my trading updates. If you're just starting, if you're new to the market, if you want me to explain to you step by step how to trade on Deepcoin, then this is the video for you. And before we start, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, DOR. So look, we are now on the Deepcoin. Let's go to the main site. And basically, this is one of the biggest crypto exchanges. Derivatives trading volume is for 24 hours is in $11 billion. Total assets, $200 million. The different token allocation, Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDT, USDC, etc. Very legit exchange with full exposure. Look, the first thing, of course, that you need to do is basically register. And this is very simple, very easy. You just put your email. Once again, the link in the description. After registering, you're gonna see the main website. If you are already into crypto and you're trying to deposit some crypto here, very easy. You basically pick the coin that you want to deposit and pick the network. Let's say ERC20, and it gets you I'm not gonna show you, but it's gonna get you the wallet address, and you basically can deposit. Then this is the very easy part. But once again, for all beginners, you need to transfer funds from your funding account into perpetual trading account if you're willing to trade. We also have spot account, inverse perpetual, USDC. Mostly what you're gonna use is most likely spot account, funding account, okay, for doing moves like withdrawing your funds, depositing, and spot account for trading. And also USDT perpetual for trading on leverage, BTC, Ethereum, etc. against USDT. So as you can see, my funds are already in perpetual. So I'm gonna just leave them there. And now let's go to spot. Now look, if you are just starting, if you're new into trading, I would suggest you basically to start with spot. It's the easiest trading with the little amount of risk. Of course, there is risk involved, but it's nothing comparing to derivatives on leverage, okay? So if you're just starting, I would really recommend you to start with spot. So look, spot is very, very simple. Like you can see, this is the main chart of BTC. Here you can change into for different coins, for different pairs. Let's say you want to trade Ethereum. Let's say you want to trade XRP. Well, let's get back to BTC. Here you can see the latest price, today's high, today's low, the volume, and different time frames on the chart. So 1 day means one candle is 1 day. 4 hour means one candle is 4 hours. Etc, 15 minutes. So depending on what time frame you're willing to trade. Then here you can see the buy and sell. So the place where you're gonna set your orders, and let's say you wanna set 500 USDT a buy position. So let's say we're gonna do the market, and the difference between market and limit is that market gets you the current price, and the limit you can basically set a price. Let's say you wanna buy at 55,000 USD. The size, let's say 0.01, or let's put it like that, and you basically set a limit. You can see that now it shows you the level where your position will be filled if price gets to this level. So now if price hits $55,000, the position will be filled, and then it will automatically buy BTC, more specifically 0.09 BTC. But we're gonna close this. Let's buy some BTC right now for $500 on the market. We basically buy here and it shows you down here your position. So this is now 0.008 BTC. Average buying price is $56,000, $276. Unrealized profit and loss, realized profit and loss, and equivalent in USDT. Very, very, very simple. You can set a take profit and stop loss here. Okay, so let's say that you are willing to sell BTC at $70,000. So you can put a price of $70,000 and the stop loss at, let's say, $50,000. So right now, if we confirm it, you're gonna see that basically we have the stop loss and take profit. So if the price gets to $70,000, it's gonna automatically close the position and it's gonna take profit. That's very, very, very simple. Now we're gonna close the position. It's like $2 in the profit, position closed. And now let's go to derivatives. Before we continue on that, I wanna tell you derivatives is only for experienced traders. If you have experience with spot trading, there you can start touching and start getting to know about derivatives. But I don't really recommend for new people to get into derivatives. It's very, very, very risky because you have the leverage involved. The leverage means you can open bigger positions. So now if I have $1,000, I'm gonna put a 10x leverage, then my position will be worth $10,000. But also the risk will be 10 times bigger. So it's very, very easy to get liquidated. So once again, only for experienced trader. Let's say we're gonna open a trade here, 55,400, and then the take profit at $57,000. We're gonna open the short position and it says 0 in my account. So of course we need to transfer it from the spot account into the perpetual trading. We're gonna transfer all of that. Let's open it, and as you can see, the position is open right now. It shows the average entry price, the P&L, margin, liquidation price. Let's say you're willing now to reverse the position. We can do it, okay? Just one click and it's gonna reverse the position, and now we are into long. Okay, so this is something that I like about Deepcoin. Well, you can quickly, easily change the positions. And also look here, if you're willing to do the take profit and stop loss, you can actually set a percentage, and I really like that in Deepcoin. You don't have it in many exchanges. Let's say profit rate, you don't want to lose more than whatever, 20%. Let's say you are satisfied with the profit of 30%. So you confirm it, and it's gonna automatically set the take profit and stop loss. Look, position is in profit, $7. Let's just close it. It was only to show you how that works. Now there is many more features on Deepcoin that I will show you later on, but this video was only derivatives and spot trading tutorial. So if you are complete beginners, I hope this opened your eyes a little bit. We're gonna go into savings, listings, rewards, announcements, different strategy tools that I wanna show you as well. I will keep you updated. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.